back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how to do icicle nails with base gel and acrylic over top. So I am starting off with my tips on, and I am using the Nicole Diary base gel. Any base gel you have will do. And then I am doing a light coat underneath the nail, making sure not to touch the skin. You want to make sure when you're using any of these products not to touch the skin because you can get allergies. So I'm doing a nice coat, not too thin, not too thick, making sure I coat everything evenly along the back side of the nails to get these really easy, beginner friendly icicle nails. So after I do that, I do not cure it, and I take some saran wrap. Now this piece was too big, so I suggest you guys use a smaller piece of saran wrap, and you can either use your nail, or here I have a little orange wood stick, and I'm basically just poking at that base gel, making little indentations, and that is going to create the icicle effect. It's super easy to do with base gel. I highly recommend it. And then I'm going to go over the top side of it with acrylic. So yeah, these are really easy icicle nails. Again, I'm going in here with the orange wood stick just to create those icicles from the underside of the nail. You're going to want to cure these for the full time in your LED UV lamp, and then really gently peel off that saran wrap. It is going to be a little bit sticky, so just really gently peel it off. Now you can also use top coat for this. I actually think top coat might be better because that way you don't have to go in, since this is a base gel, and put a top coat over it. So top coat might be easier if you have a thicker top coat. I think that would work perfectly. And then this is what I'm doing. I'm top coating the underside of the nails because I did use a base gel, and you guys know base gel has like that stickiness after you apply it that you want to make sure you wipe off, or you go over it with gel polish. So here I'm just showing you guys how to do it with top coat as well. There were some sparse areas where I wanted more of an icicle, cracked ice effect. So these like cracked ice icicle nails. So here I'm just going in, I put that top coat underneath right over it. And then I separated the saran wrap into two pieces, and I kind of just, you make random creases with the saran wrap on the underside of the nail. And then you cure it with the saran wrap on your nail like that. You do not remove the saran wrap before curing. And then you're going to cure it in your LED UV lamp for the required time, and then take it out of the lamp. Here you guys can see I pulled it out of the lamp. Everything is looking good. I really like the way that these icicle cracked ice nails are coming out so far. So yeah, now I'm going to go over it with a really pretty acrylic nail design. Alright you guys, now going in with the nail design, I am using Valentino's Clear. I am using Elite 99 Pro Monomer by Nailed by Lucy. Really low odor. I usually use the no odor monomer by Kupa, but this is a low odor monomer. Still has a monomer smell, but lower odor. So I recommend this one. This is from Nailed by Lucy. I really like it. It sets really nice, so I really enjoy that. So what I'm doing here is I am using a really small brush. This is a size 7 Kolinsky, and I'm using this small brush because I want to make sure that I'm super careful how I apply my acrylic with these cracked ice icicle nails, not to cover up anything, and just to make sure that I'm super delicate so that we do not cover up the design. So yeah, what I'm doing here, I always like to go in when I'm doing acrylic nails with a clear underneath. That way it gives you something to file back to, and when you're taking off your sets, it's much easier. You don't have to soak them off with acetone. You can just take a coarse bit, file off all the color, and then just leave that clear underneath to protect your nails. And it also helps prevent lifting. So highly recommend. Now I'm going in with this beautiful pink shimmer iridescent color. It's a solid pink, and it has like shimmer iridescence in it, little fine glitters. And then this other one is a custom glitter that I did. It has some milky white and some iridescent hexes in there. So I'm going in with this first color. This is from Maya's Nails. You can find her collections on A&G Nail Supplies. She releases them pretty rarely, but I do believe she has a collection up, and her acrylics are always super, super buttery, and really love to work with them. So this is a pink, and it has a fine iridescent glitter in it. It's a really, really pretty color. I think it'll look good with almost any skin tone. And then I still want to go in with like that cracked ice icicle effect nail. So I'm applying this. This is a custom glitter that I did. It's like a milky white, and then it has hexes in there, iridescent hexes and fine white glitter, but I think it was too much on the nail, so I wiped some away because I wanted to make sure that you saw that full icicle effect on the nail. So I did wipe some off there. And then I'm gonna go in with these. These are super, super cute. I got them from AliExpress. I showed them on a haul I did from AliExpress, and they are little metal decorations that you can encapsulate on the nail. They are so, so cute. There's like tons of Christmas stuff. There's Christmas wreaths, snowman, Christmas trees, snowflakes, and they're all gold, and they're super, super thin, so really, really easy to encapsulate. So I am gonna place these on the nail. They're so, so cute. I thought they added a little pop of Christmas into these icicle nails. Yeah, I really, really like this. I'm applying a little bit more of that clear just to adhere these, and I was having trouble picking them up with my brush, but yeah, I'm sure you guys won't have that issue. Just pick it up with your brush, and I'm applying these little Christmas nail decorations on the nail. They are super, super cute. So now I am using this beautiful pastel green shade. This is like a mint, really, really nice pastel mint green shade, and it has fine gold glitter in it. This is also from Maya's Nails. Again, you can find her collections on, excuse me, you can find her collections on angnailsupplies.com. She doesn't have this collection out right now, but she has other ones that are really, really pretty. So if you guys are interested in that, they're super, super affordable too. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then I'm going in with this really, really pretty gold. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a fine glitter that like reflects gold. Super, super pretty. I got that one off of AliExpress, and I did a video on that, on the affordable nail powders from AliExpress. You guys can check that out on my channel. So that is what I'm using here, and then I'm also using from AliExpress, from that same haul, this really, really pretty, this is like a corally gold reflex. It is an acrylic with fine glitter in there and hexes, and it is like a corally color, but it has a really, really pretty gold shine to it. So it's really, really pretty. So I'm just layering that onto the nail again, making sure that I leave that icicle area free of any acrylic, right? Colored acrylic. Just kind of giving it like an ombre effect, but you want to make sure you don't put too much, not to cover up that icicle effect. So now I'm using this other one from Maya's Nails collection. This is a beautiful mint green. It has mint green hexes in there, and light pink ones that are matte, and then it has gold, non-matte gold glitter. So it's a really, really pretty mix. I love this mix. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm doing a full cover nail of this on the nail, and then I'm gonna add the little gold decorations on top, the little gold Christmas decorations you see there from AliExpress. So I added like some snowflakes, some stars, a wreath. Really, really pretty. So yeah, I'm finishing up this nail like that. I'm just applying them into the wet acrylic. And when you're encapsulating stuff like this, just make sure to really, really press it in there so that when you're encapsulating, nothing sticks out and gets filed off accidentally. I really, really like this nail. This acrylic glitter is super, super pretty. All right, you guys, so I am going in here with a larger brush. I believe this is a size 20. This is my focal and sticky brush. I really, really like it, and I am encapsulating the nails. I have been having such trouble encapsulating nails lately. I don't know why, but just not working well for me. I don't know why. I have such an easy time applying acrylic colored, but encapsulating it's just been really struggle for me lately. So that is something that I'm working on. Let me know if you guys have any tips about how you guys like to encapsulate your nails. I would love to know down below. So yeah, I'm just doing that to all the nails here. You want to make sure that you encapsulate your nails, especially when we are using like little nail art here, like the little encapsulated snowflakes and Christmas wreaths and stuff like that, and the glitters, the acrylic glitters, because when you come to file, you're going to file all that off, and you want to make sure that the thickest part of your nail with clear is the back 1/3 of the nail. That is what gives your nail strength and prevents it from breaking. It's called the apex. So you want to make sure that that is the thickest part of your nail, the back 1/3. Yeah, because you don't want your nails to be really thin, they will break. So the thickest part should be the back 1/3, and then it should get thinner as it goes towards the tip, and it should be nice and flush towards the cuticle area. So yeah, so I'm doing this to all my nails. I'm finishing up encapsulating, and then I will file these off camera, and then I will get back to you guys with the reveal shots. Guys, I didn't get this on camera, but I did change up my first nail and I added a Swarovski huge crystal, a bow, and I added a candy cane decoration on my first finger. So here we're going to see that in the final review. Here are the finished icicle Christmas nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love these. They're super, super Christmassy. And I love the icicle cracked ice effect and all the large nail charms. Super, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.